Lexi Kai here. I'm going to be starting a do-it-your-own lip color product that we're going to be making.
So like have fun and get creative.
And I'm trying to figure out exactly what color I'm going to do. I set out different products right here, like the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition eyeshadow palette. It has all these like flaky type eyeshadows at the top that are really pretty, and I think those would look good on the lips. And I also have my Mica Cosmetics shimmer powders right here. I have my Active Shield lotion. I'm going to be trying these three different products for the mixing to see which looks best and feels best on the lips. I've never done this before. Well, this is the mixing bowl I have. An eye primer right here. And then, of course, Vaseline. And this one's already tinted, but we're just gonna try it and see if it comes out to be a prettier color than it already is. And then over here, I just have some storage bottles. You could get little ones like this. You're gonna need that for Michael's or like a craft place, something like that. Just clean them. And then I just took this Sephora lip brush from one of my brush kits that I have. And then also you're gonna need a piece of paper to lay it on, or you could just use a paper towel or something, just a flat surface that you're going to be scraping all the powders on to it, and we're going to be mixing, so you're kind of going to be like your own mixologist, which is cool. This is going to be my scraping device today. It's like the other side of the brush. I'm going to be using it to scrape it onto the paper. Alrighty, so you guys ready for this? Let's do it. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with my Huda Beauty palette. This one's called Angelic. So we're going to start by scraping that onto the paper. And you're going to scrape a good amount for this. Put that down. Take your bowl and you're going to use Vaseline. We're going to try Vaseline first. But let's see, shoot, I'm gonna need another mixing stick. So far, if you didn't already see, I did this. Taking the Vaseline, I'm gonna take some with my straw. Take a little bit out, probably that much. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my bowl. I'm gonna mix those two together. So now I've got my eyeshadow powder in the bowl along with the Vaseline. And now we're gonna mix those in there, just like that. Ooh, it's already coming out pretty.
Are you talking to me or people?
People.
Oh shit.
So now I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Tone in it, like that rose gold is popping through. That looks amazing. See that? With that one, we're gonna try the Eye Candy one by Kiss New York. You could try these two browns, the Sephora little eyeshadow too, that's really shimmery. All of these three different colors of browns that we're gonna mix together. See how
just an eye primer, high performance moisturizer, firming and line minimizer.
Whoa,
Baby.
whoa. What do you want, cutie? My little beau's crying for food as always. He's like, give me more food. Even though I just got him like all these treats from this little like food truck that came by the other day in the neighborhood. And she like makes all these cute little like homemade doggy treats that are good for them. There's like the sweet peanut butter kind that he loves because he's a sweet guy. Well, actually no, he likes everything. It's the other puppy that I have that's like picky. He only likes protein and he's like a healthy eating dog. It's funny. Hi. Hi. You like his onesie? Show everyone your onesie. This is a baby. You ready for the holidays, Bob? In your onesie? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm not a fan of the primer. If you can see the texture, it's a little cakey looking. And this is by Epionce. I think that's how you say it. And this time we're going to be using the Mica Beauty Cosmetics eyeshadows And we're gonna do like a light purple violet lip gloss. Too much of the purple orchid one. And then that stuff's really powdery. Oh my goodness. It's like one swipe and it's so pigmented it's gonna just like go all over my face. Watch.
So now I'm going to do some other colors. What color should we do next? Let's see.
Thinking I want to do a pinkish rose. Pink and rose. So this one's the NARS blush. Like I said, you could use blush or eyeshadow. This is a mini NARS blush. We're gonna try that using that. The Rose Cosmetics from MAC. Some eyeshadow. It's really that. And then we're gonna just add a little bit of that.
Take my Vaseline again. Take a little good amount.
I almost think this might be my favorite color I've made yet so far. Definitely go with the Vaseline if you have it at home. And I think it's like subtle enough to go with the eyeshadow I'm wearing. This is the Huda Beauty Nude Palette.
Eyeshadow. So this is the one I chose. I don't know what we're gonna call it yet, but if you guys have an idea of a name we can call this color, then please put it in the comments below. So look how pretty this ended up being.
Yeah, definitely my favorite lip color I made. The other ones are pretty too, just the textures were a little weird. And this one feels really good. Like MAC and NARS could be expensive sometimes, but you can even do like different eyeshadows that are like cheaper and still get this color. It's moisturizing my lips. Here in Colorado, I get like these dry skin that comes up, like right here. I have really dry skin on this end corners. I actually like to do my eyes a little bit more dramatic and then a subtle lip. So that's exactly what I did. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. And please hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Love you all. Mwah.